Welcome back to Old Charles. Today, we are talking about the Philippines 5 peso coin from 1993 and why this coin still attracts collectors and curious people around the world. This coin was issued by the Banco Central ng Pilipinas during a time when the country was going through economic and social changes. Coins from this period often reflect history, daily life, and national pride, which is why many people still search for their value today. The 5 peso coin from 1993 is part of the Peso series that replaced older banknotes with coins. This change was made because coins last longer in circulation and reduce production costs. The design of the coin is simple, yet meaningful. On the front side, you can see a portrait of Emilio Aguinaldo, who was an important leader in Philippine history and the first president of the Philippines. His image reminds people of independence and national identity. That on the backside of the coin you will usually see the denomination and the name of the central bank. The metal composition of this coin is generally copper-nickel, which gives it a silver-like appearance. The diameter and weight are standard for circulation coins of that era, making it easy to recognize and use in daily transactions. And when it comes to value, most 1993 5 peso coins are still worth their face value if they are heavily used. This is because millions of these coins were produced, and many are still found in circulation today. However, the value can change depending on the condition of the coin. Condition is one of the most important factors for collectors. A coin that is worn with scratches, faded details, and damage will usually not sell for more than 5 pesos. On the other hand, a coin that is in very good condition, with clear details, sharp edges, and original shine can be more attractive to collectors. Uncirculated examples that were never used and kept safely can sometimes sell for a higher price, especially if demand is strong. Another thing collectors look for is errors. Minting errors can make a common coin rare and valuable. Examples include off-center strikes, double images, or missing details. If you find a 1993 5 peso coin with a clear error, it may be worth much more than the normal version. These error coins are usually sold to collectors who specialize in unique pieces. The market value of this coin can also depend on where it is sold. Local markets, online platforms, and coin shows may offer different prices. Prices can change over time based on collector interest and availability. While this coin is not considered extremely rare, it still holds historical value and cultural importance. For people who enjoy collecting coins, the Philippines 5 peso 1993 coin is a good example of modern circulating currency with a strong connection to history. Even if it is not worth a lot of money, it can still be valuable as part of a collection or as a piece of national heritage. Checking your change and learning about coins like this can be both fun and educational. The history of the Philippines 5 peso coin from 1993 is closely connected to the economic and political changes of the country during the late 20th century. Before this time, paper banknotes were commonly used for low denominations, but they wore out quickly in daily use. Because of this, the government decided to introduce more durable coins to replace small bills and improve the currency system. The 5 peso coin was introduced as part of this major change in Philippine money. It was issued by the Banco Central ng Pilipinas, which became the central bank after replacing the old Central Monetary Authority. This change symbolized a new era of financial stability and modernization for the Philippines. The release of the 5 peso coin helped make everyday transactions easier for millions of people. The portrait featured on the coin represents Emilio Aguinaldo, who played a key role in the fight for independence from colonial rule. By placing his image on a circulating coin, the government honored national heroes and reminded citizens of the struggle for freedom and self-rule. Coins have always been a powerful way to tell history, and this design choice was meant to educate as well as inspire. During the early 1990s, the Philippines was recovering from political unrest and economic challenges. The introduction of new coins showed progress and confidence in the future. The 5 peso coin quickly became part of daily life, used in markets, transportation, and small purchases across the country. Over time, this coin became familiar to generations of people. Even today, the 1993 issue reflects an important moment when the Philippines moved toward a stronger and more practical currency system. Holding this coin is like holding a small reminder of the nation's journey through change, resilience, and growth. The condition of the Philippines 5 peso coin from 1993 plays a very important role in determining its value and appeal to collectors. Most of these coins were used in everyday transactions for many years, so finding one in perfect shape can be difficult. Collectors carefully examine each coin to see how much wear it has received over time. That a heavily circulated coin usually shows clear signs of use. The surface may have scratches, dents, or dark spots, and the details on the portrait and lettering can appear flat or faded. Coins in this condition are generally only worth their face value because they are very common and easy to find. A coin in good condition will still show most of its original design. The portrait of Emilio Aguinaldo will be clear, and the text around the edge will be readable. There may be some light scratches, but the overall appearance is still attractive. These coins may have a slightly higher interest for beginner collectors. That very fine or extremely fine condition coins have much less wear. The details are sharp and the surfaces look smoother with only minor marks. These coins were either lightly used or carefully stored. Collectors often prefer these examples because they show what the coin looked like when it was new. Uncirculated coins are the most desirable. These coins were never used in circulation and often retain their original mint luster. The edges are crisp and all details are strong and clear. An uncirculated 1993 5 peso coin can sometimes sell for a higher price, especially if demand is high.